Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. My name is Shraddha Gupta and today we are going to do a chapter number 10 from your EVS book. So what is the name of the chapter? The chapter name is Forest and Forest People. So let's read the chapter. The early man used to live in forest. The cities and the towns that we live in today were forests earlier. A large area of land that is thickly covered with trees is known as forest. They produce various things that are used by human beings to make our lives comfortable. For example, wood for furniture, vegetables and fruits, oxygen, etc. They also provide shelters to animals. Forests are an important part of our water cycle as they bring rain. They also prevent soil erosion by soil particles tightly. Today also these forests provide home to many people. These populations generally consist of groups of people known as tribes. These tribes practice slash and burn agriculture for their existence and gather things like herbs, fruits, vegetables, gum, resin and wood. Tribes, types and areas. Our country is home to many native tribes. They usually live in the hills in the interior part of the country. The tribes found in different areas differ in their customs, culture, handicrafts and languages. Here is the list of some states and the tribes that live there. Assam, Bodos, Kachaharis and Khasis. Bihar, Gonds, Birhor. Chhattisgarh have tribes Mundas and Gonds. Himachal Pradesh had Yadis. Next is Jharkhand, Mundas, Madhya Pradesh, Kol, Bhils and Gonds, Maharashtra, Bhils and Gonds, Meghalaya, Garos and Khasis, Sikkim, Bhutanese and Lepchas, Uttarakhand, Bhotis, and West Bengal, Santhals and Mundas, Orissa, Bhumia, Kond, Suras, Bonda, Santhals, Gond and Oraon. So these are the tribes that living at the specific areas or a state. Next is tribal life. The tribal life in their culture, language, customs and handicrafts differ from region to region. The affairs of a tribal communities are managed by the experienced elders. These people meet to discuss matters relating to the welfare of the tribal community. Tribal handicrafts. The tribal population has a great skill in the production of handicrafts like baskets, brooms, goblets, pipes, containers from natural materials like bamboo, grass, leaf and stones. Tribal religion. Religion is one of the most important aspects of a tribal life. The way of practicing one's religion also varies from religion to religion. The tribals have their own ritual. They still worship the trees, the sun, and some animals. An important way of pleasing their deities is the sacrifice of animals. Communities depend on forest products. The tribal communities are largely dependent on forest for their survival. Forests are the ultimate source of food and shelter for them. Tribes generally collect nuts, honey, gum, wild fruits and rubber and get food grains in exchange of them. They collect mangoes, tamarind, mahua, jackfruit, edible berries and many other wild fruits. Many tribal communities practice subsistence cultivation in the form of shifting cultivation or slash or burn agriculture. In this, they clear a patch of land and cultivate it. After 1 or 2 years, when they feel that their land is losing its fertility, they abandon it and find a new patch of land. This helps the land to regain its fertility. Effect of deforestation on tribes. Deforestation is a clearing up of forests. Forests are cleared on a large scale to build cities and towns. This has led to a destruction of the natural habitats of tribals. Tribals have been either evicted or prevented from using forests in some areas. They are forced to go to urban areas and earn their livelihood. They find it difficult to adjust to the life of the cities, and this is because they neither have any formal education or nor any technical skill. They also find it difficult to understand and speak the city language. So, in this chapter, what we have learned? We have learned all about the tribal things, tribal areas, tribes, and the state which contains the tribes. So, this much is in your chapter. Bye bye. Take care. Meet you soon in my next video.